Everyone's afraid of Hurricane Melissa, but smart Jamaicans know when the storm comes, so does opportunity. Let me show you exactly how to make and save money from this hurricane. Number 1. Sell what people need before the storm. Things like candles, water, batteries, gas, and food. Buy early, then sell when stores run out. Even small hustles like charging phones for people or delivering supplies in your community can earn quick cash. Number 2. Offer a skill after the storm. Roofing, plumbing, cleaning up fallen trees, people pay fast for those services. If you can't do the work, connect others who can and take a small finder's fee. That's business, not luck. Number 3. Protect your money. Don't overspend in panic. Keep cash safe in case ATMs go down. Save your receipts, they help with insurance or government refunds later. Number 4. Create digital content. If you have Wi-Fi and a phone, show how to prepare or rebuild. People love real stories. That's how influencers and media pages blow up during storms. So don't just survive Hurricane Melissa, study how money moves. Because while some people lose everything, others build wealth in silence. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Alpha and Facts. Because I don't just talk about storms, I show you how to turn chaos into opportunity.